Okay, here's a look at the emini S&P for Thursday, November the 17th, 2011. What we're looking at here, and the main tool that we like to use to examine the move of the market on a day-to-day basis, is the market profile. So what we're looking at here is today's profile. This was yesterday's, and the one in the middle here is what occurred overnight. So I had mentioned yesterday that we'd likely see continuation down, and that we had in the area of 36 as likely resistance, and then up around 42. Well, as you can see, overnight the market did almost reach 42, and in the regular trading session hit 36 right on the dot, and then had a good down move, not only hitting the 1215 target but also dipping for a short time below the 1210 area, making a low today at 1206.50. It did have a nice strong bounce to finish the day, getting right back up to the 1215 area. So we're now looking at that 1215, 1216 area as a potential resistance. The market closed right at there, so it's likely to be breached. Our next resistance area is around the 1227 area. But even before that, we could see some resistance in around the 1220 area. So the market here has found some pretty good selling the past couple of days, good volume along with it. And so I think we'll just have to wait and see if that last move that we had very late in the day was just a swift short covering rally from the day's action, profit taking for the past couple of days, or was really some good buying in there, some good new buying in there that might push the market higher. So we don't know. I don't know for sure. So that's why we need to monitor that 15 to 16 area to see if the market, if it can hold above it and then get up to 20 and then maybe 27, then we can start to look for some long trades, because we can infer that this late buying that occurred today was pretty strong. Other than that, the down auction continues, and we would look at a test again up to today's low, and then the next area down would be around 1203 and then 1192. We also use these market profiles from the regular trading hours only in our analysis of the market. You can see each day has its own profile. Here is our software for today. We only actually had one trade that we took. It was a short trade. It was unfortunate. We did get stopped on that. You can see this other short trade we had here on two occasions, although the second one I don't know if we would have taken, but we just missed it by a hair, by a couple of ticks right in here, which obviously would have been a really nice trade. Right after that, the market dropped about 5-6 points. So these other long trades that you can see here was obviously the auction's attempt to try and rally off of these lows. Never really did muster up a good strong effort, and as you see, made a low here, and then a new low just by a tick late in the day, and that's where it had a good rally higher. So I think we need to watch really quite closely that 15-16 area. If the market can get above that, then, like I say, it's probably going to have a bit of a lift. Otherwise, we're looking probably at the market to come back down and test today's low. It's about 10 points from where it is, where it closed here. Roughly speaking, 6 to 16 is where the market has sort of found a home for right now. So I think above 16 would be somewhat bullish, not super bullish. I think would have to get above 24 to really, take that next stage of more conviction that there is some pretty good buying. But other than that, we're still looking at the down auction. So any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader. And we always enjoy hearing your questions and comments, so don't hesitate getting a hold of us. At any rate, that'll be it for today. So thanks for watching, and we will see you again tomorrow.